Welcome back, children. How are you guys? Okay, children, in the last video class, not in the video class, online class, we discussed about the reproduction in plants. Yes or no? Okay. See, I remember telling you there are so many varieties of plant around us. Okay, and there are plants who give flower to us, and there are plants who does not produce flower, and there are plants which produces fruits, and there are plants who do not produce fruit. Okay, so if there is fruit production, it means there is seed. And children, there are around 3 lakh species of plants in our earth. Okay, and each plants have unique character. That is, like they're different from other. Okay, that variety of plant will be different from the other variety of plant. Okay, and they produce their young one, and they continue their existence on the earth. Existence means they continue their presence in the earth. Okay, the process of producing young one of its own kind, it's called as reproduction. Okay, and if you see, if you closely observe the seedling going into a new plant, I remember telling you, we just sow the seed of lady's finger, and we were able to find so many varieties of so many varieties of plants come out of seeds. Okay, so from the seed of lady's finger we got so many plants coming out. Okay, so majority of the plants they come out of the seed. Okay, and there are two methods of reproduction which is generally seen in plant. One, it is reproduction from seed. The other one, it is reproduction through vegetable parts. Okay, there are two methods of reproduction in plants. One, it is from seed. The other one is through the vegetative parts. Okay, first of all, let's see how the plant reproduce through the seed. Okay, see, seed is a hard part of the plant. Okay, just take a lady's finger, tomato, brinjal, bitter gourd, snake gourd, ridge gourd, and all. You'll find the seed inside it, right? See that it will be little bit harder than the other parts of the plant. Okay, and because they are hard, they are able to produce, they are able to break themselves and produce a new plant. Okay, and as I already said, the seed bearing plant, they produce fruit in the later part of their life. Okay, if you take the structure of the seed, usually a seed will be covered with a seed coat. Okay, if you have groundnut at home or any variety of beans or channa, if you have any of these seeds at home, just take and observe. You'll find a seed coat covering the seed. Okay, it has a seed coat which protects the inner part of the seed. Okay, and inside the seed there will be a baby plant. Okay, there will be a baby plant inside the seed which is called as the embryo. I remember telling you, when you open the groundnut, you'll find a kutty knob like structure, kutty part on the top of the groundnut, which is nothing but the embryo. Okay, and this embryo, when it develops into a baby shoot and also a baby root. Embryo develops into a baby shoot and also a baby root. Okay, and usually the seeds will have two cotyledons. Easily we can break it into two halves. Okay, like groundnut or channa or mm, urad dal, then beans and all. Like easily we can break it into two halves, and in between the two halves you'll find the small embryo. Okay, and these cotyledons, the either side or no, it will be having that half parts, no, that will provide the food for the embryo. Okay, what is the work of that cotyledon? Means cotyledon give food, store food for the embryo. Okay, and all the seeds will not have two cotyledons. There are seeds which has only one cotyledon. Okay, and children, for the seed to grow, we need to maintain few conditions. Okay, there should be enough water, there should be enough warmness, and there should be enough water, warmness, and also there should be enough nutrients so that the new plant sprouts out from the plant. Okay, and if our seed has two cotyledons, it is called as dicot plant. Okay, beans, channa and all, they belong to dicot plants. Dicotyledons we tell. Okay, if we take rice, then wheat and all, they do not have these two halves. So they are the monocotyledons or monocot plants. So plants can also be divided into two types, namely the monocot plant and also the dicot plant. Is that clear, children? See, in this class we have studied about the structure of the seed and the types of plant based on the seeds cotyledon. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.